All right, it's been about 2 hours. Like I said, look at this. Still hot. Great bean of coffee I made. Just brought with the thermostat. So if you guys want to take a thermostat to go. All right, today we're going to bring a thermos and a smaller thermos, but we're going to talk about one first. All right, we're going to talk about the large one first. Now, if you guys could see, I have water in here right now just to test it out so you guys can see it first. All right, now this thermos, it's very large. I'm going to put the amount of actually liquid that you could actually retain in here. Now, it does have that swivel in the bottom, if you guys can see that. And it is full right now, water. It's full water. So it does have this rotating area that I like. I like this a lot. And I'm going to show you how to actually open it and maintain it, and also how to pump it. So let's go ahead and start pumping it. To pump it, it's very simple. So what you got to do is there's a button here. It says up. So it says close, but that's to lock it in place. All right. Now we have it activated. Once you activate it, all you got to do is push it down, hold it down. Look at this. And if you want to pump it faster, you can. It works with actual pressure, right? So look at that. And it's slow dripping because you're going to add hot content or cold. It's not going to be fast and spill everywhere, which is perfect. Right now, we are making coffee because we are going to go to a shop. We're going to take this to work. And right now, when we take it to the job, we like to drink coffee. And we spend hundreds of thousands of dollars during the year on coffee, buying coffee out of the streets. And we just got tired of that. So we're going to go ahead and use this device. Now, if you want to close it up, I'm going to close it. What you want to do is hold it down. All right. Make sure the water's still dripping. See that? Hold it down. And there's a button here and it locks in place. All right. That's how it completely locks. All right. Now I'm going to open it up so you guys can see the inside. They do give you a cleaning device included with it. All right. That's a plus. Now let's go ahead and open it up. What you want to do is open the side here. If you guys can see that. Open. And it opens up. Now the pump is separate, right? Now this, wash it by hand. If you have an extra cleaner, clean it up. This is silicone, but you still cannot put this in the actual dishwasher, right? The pump is separate. We're going to separate this, but this is where the liquid goes in there in the funnel, right? So we're going to, right now it still has water, retaining water. Let's get rid of it. Just make sure that when you're going to clean it, you rinse it out, and also you could brush it in with the actual, they give you this brush to brush it in, and it does fit in there perfectly. I have one open here, if you guys can see that, and it goes around here, right? So enough space for actually cleaning up. Any bottle cleaner for baby bottle cleaners can clean this, all right? So let's go ahead and fill this up and take it to work. All right, we're gonna fill it up. This is our little pitcher that we have. This is enough for 3 or 4 cups. That's all we need, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. I like that it comes with this funnel in here, and look how hot it is. Fill it up as much as we can. We could probably fill up 3 of these, to be honest with you. But right now we're not that many in the office at the job site. So we're going to actually fill up this one 3 or 4 cups in case anybody wants something. All right, now we go ahead and put this together. And remember, it is hot, so don't pump it right now. And all you got to do is lock it in, all right? Look at that. You walk into the job site or the place, take you fishing, put it in your RV, fill it up anywhere. Even if you buy coffee from the street, you can always fill it up. Now we're going to take this with us and take the milk with us. Let's do it. All right, so check it out. This is perfect. It's still been almost over 2 hours already, and it still works like I just made it from home. And we bring it to the job site here on a cold day like today. This is perfect. We have our creamers. Of course, all you got to do is make sure you bring your own spoon, because that's one thing we almost forgot. We had to get a straw just so we can mix it up. So all right, this just came out of the thermostat. Look how hot it is. Still, this has been 2 hours already that we brought it since we made the coffee. Look how well made it. So let's pour some more. All right, just had a great coffee. So if you guys are looking for a great thermostat, for large parties or many people. You could fill, like I said, almost 3 of those containers. It keeps very warm throughout. We actually made it 2 hours ago, and the coffee is still nice and warm. So hope you guys enjoy this video.